Hello, today we will speak about automatically notifying customers about repair status change. Let's say you want to send message to customer each time the vehicle goes into the specific repair stage. For example, to notify him or her that the vehicle is in paint or all the parts needed for a repair are received and vehicle is being assembled. EstVis allows you to automate sending messages to customers each time the case representing the vehicle goes to a specific bucket. You can choose one or multiple buckets which should initiate the action. In this video, I'll show you how to set up this action. Let's start. Go to EstVis.com website, log in with your manager credentials and click Settings. If you have more than one shops connected to the account, make sure the corresponding company is chosen at top left bar. Then click Bucket Customization. Here you see all the buckets, means repair statuses your body shop currently uses. Look at the last column in the buckets table, called Actions. By default, EstVis initially set the action called Send Customer Message for some buckets. You can change this. Find a row containing a needed bucket. Let's say we want to add the action to Paint bucket. Then drag the Send Customer Message tile from the right panel above to the row in Actions column and drop it. To remove the action from some bucket, if you don't want EstVis to automatically send notification to customer, just click on existing Send Customer Message tile in the corresponding buckets row. Don't forget to click Save at the page bottom to save any changes. If you want to customize message that is sent each time the action initiates, click Company Settings at the left panel and find the field called Status Change Notification Message. Here you can make customization. EstVis allows you to use substitution variables such as first name, last name, status, and so on. Note that you can see the buckets which have this action binded in EstVis workflow. To make sure this function is enabled, open EstVis workflow settings and check if option Show Border on Notified Buckets is enabled. You can find this option in General Settings. Now, if you look at Workflow main interface, you may notice that some buckets that are teared down, detailed, and completed have light-colored borders. That means each time a case is moved to this bucket, the system will automatically send a message to the customer. That's it. If you have some additional questions, feel free to email us to support@estvis.com. Thank you!